I am Kamal Kumar. Today we will solve the questions related to pair of linear equation in two variables. And already we have solved many questions and in different methods. But today we will see means whether the linear of pair equation linear equations means pair of linear equation as solution or not. So how we will start? First, you see this question: 3x minus 3y minus 3 equal to 0, 3x minus 9y minus 2 equal to 0. So, means how can you solve this? Before solving, you have to check means is there solution or not. If their solution means consistent, it is a unique solution, then you will start solving. Otherwise, if there is no solution, then you will not solve. You will write the system of pair of linear equation as no solution. So before doing, we have to check. You know that first equation is in the form a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0, and another equation is in the form a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. So first we will write a1 by a2. We will find a1 is coefficient of x is 1 here, and a2 is 3. So 1 by 3. Another b1 upon b2. So b1 by b2 will be minus 3 by minus 9. 3 1 ja 3 3 ja 9. 1 by 3. So here you see 1 by 3, and here also 1 by 3. So third, just find third, c1 by c2. What will be? c1 by c2 is minus 3 by minus 2. And finally this is 3 by 2. Now you can see here, a1 by a2 we have 1 by 3, b1 by b2 we have 1 by 3, and c1 by c2 we have 3 by 2. Means here a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2, and that is not equal to c1 by c2. So you should understand, if the if the linear pair equations has means this property, means this property following pair of linear equations, means these two pair of linear equations following this property, that's why it has no solution. So you will write, therefore the pair of linear equations has no solution. If there is no solution, then we will not solve it. We will stop solving. So this is it. So like that, another is here, find a1 by a2. What will be? 1 by 3. Then b1 by b2, 1 by 2. Because coefficient of y is here 1 and here y is 2. So 1 by 2. And you can see here a1 by a2 comes 1 by 3 and b1 by b2 is 1 by 2, and that's why they are not equal, since a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2. Then what will be? Therefore the pair of linear equations has unique solution. Means there is solution. So if there is solution, means there is unique solution, then we will solve it. And it is not told to solve in which method, means no methods are there, no method is bounded. So we have to apply any one method. You can apply any one method. So this is first equation and this is second equation. and here coefficient of y is 2 and here 1. 2 and 1. LCM will be 2. So we will multiply this by 2. So by 1 into 2 minus 2 we get. Means we are going to multiply the equation 1 by 2, and when you multiply equation 1 by 2, then you will get 2y, and here already 2y, so we can eliminate 2y. So 2x plus 2y equal to 10, and 3x plus 2y equal to 8. And now we'll subtract, because both have the same sign. So if there are same sign, then you need to subtract. If there are different sign, then you will add. So we'll subtract. When you subtract, sign will change. 2y to y gone. Minus x equal to 2. Therefore x equal to minus 2. Value of x we got. Now this value of x will put in any equation. So we'll put in equation 1 by putting the value of x in equation 1, we get what? X plus y equal to 5 minus 2 plus y equal to 5, y equal to 5 plus 2, therefore y equal to 7. Therefore x equal to minus 2, y equal to 7. So this is the solution. You understand? So first we will check by using the property. We have the three properties, you know that. We have the three properties. One is a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2. Then this is for there is unique solution. Unique solution means you have to solve. If a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 equal to c1 by c2, there are many solutions. Many solutions. If a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 not equal to c1 by c2, then there is no solution. So these three properties are there. In which property the given pair of linear equation comes, according to the property you have to decide there is solution or there is no solution. Okay, thank you.